Dear children, how are you all? Hope you are all fine today. I am Aishwarya, teacher from Kadamattur block, Thiruvallur district. Dear children, in the previous videos you have learned long vowel A and E. Today I am going to teach you next vowel. Dear children, can you guess what the vowel will come next? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is I. The long vowel sound of I is I. Long vowel I sounds as same as the name of the letter. Now tell me, what's the long vowel sound of I? Yes, it is I. Dear children, today we are going to learn long vowel I with some examples. In these examples, I takes long sound and E is silent. Let's move to the examples. I, D, I, die. P, I, pie. T, I, tie. I'd. H, I, hide. Hide. T, I, tie. Tied. R, I, ride. Ride. Next, Ike. 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 B, I, bike. Bike. I, like. I, mic. It. B, I, bite. K, I, kite. W, I, white. Ive. H, I, hive. F, I, five. D, I, dive. Dear children, let us recall once again. I, D, I, die. T, I, tie. P, I, pie. Next, I'd. H, I, hide. T, I, tied. R, I, ride. Next, Ike. B, I, bike. I, like. I, mic. Next, it. B, I, bite. K, I, kite. W, I, white. Next, Ive. H, I, hive. F, I, five. D, I, dive. Dear children, there are some exceptions in long vowel I, in give and live. Here, the I takes short vowel sound, not the long vowel sound. G, E, V, give. L, E, V, live. Dear children, there is one more letter in alphabet can take long vowel I sound. Can you guess what the letter is? Okay, I will tell you. It is Y. Sometimes Y takes long vowel I sound. Do you want to know where it is? Yes. When Y is at the end of a short word that has no other vowel in it. There Y takes long vowel I sound. Shall we see the examples? Yes. I, my. B, I, buy. Cur, I, cry. Dur, I, dry. Fur, I, fry. Pull, I, fly. Full, I, fly. Sk, I, sky. Sh, I, shy. W, I, why. In these short words, Y takes long I sound. Dear children, let us recap once again. I, my. B, I, buy. Cur, I, cry. Fur, I, fry. Dur, I, dry. Pull, I, fly. Full, I, fly. Sk, I, sky. Sh, I, shy. W, I, why. Dear children, today you have learned long vowel I. Practice well. I will meet you in another video. Bye.